If you're watching this video, you have less than 10 hours to complete the Somnia Proof of Humanity check. I understand that not everyone has laptop to complete it using their laptop, and that is why I'm making this video to show you how to complete this particular task using your mobile phone. So do well to share this video with your friends. Anyone you know that is having issues completing the task, please send them this video so that they can watch and also complete the task. Okay, now there are a few things you are going to need if you want to complete this using your mobile phone. So either Mises or Kiwi browser should be installed in your phone. Secondly, you need VPN. You need to install a VPN, a very good VPN. I recommend RubyScore VPN. Install it and put it on because you're going to be needing it when you try to log into your exchange account, especially OKX. So when you've gotten all of that, come to your quest page on Somnia and click on the proof you are a human. This Hey Somnia, are you human? Click on proof now and it will direct you to the Authena verification page. When you are on Authena.xyz, the place for you to complete your proof of humanity, you can log in using your wallet address, your Twitter account or your Discord. As a matter of fact, just connect all of your social accounts and your wallet because you are going to be needing them to accumulate points. I have already connected some of my wallet and also my Binance account, and I have 416 points already. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect the wallet using your mobile phone. Okay, so once you are here and you have connected your wallet, the next thing you should do is to scroll down and you're going to see this proof of uniqueness, right? Then you scroll to your right and you're going to see exchanges that you can connect. Number one, there is OKX. You can connect OKX and it will give you 100 points. If you don't have OKX, you can use Binance. You can use Binance and get 100 points. Also, you can use Coinbase to do that as well. So any of the exchange you're going to be using, just go to it and click on connect. Once you click on connect, you are supposed to install a browser extension. Now this browser extension is called ZKPass Transgate. This is it here, ZKPass Transgate. You need to install the ZKPass Transgate because it is this extension that will be used to check your account and give you the 100 points. So once you have installed the ZKPass Transgate, return here and tick this box. You need to tick this box here to show that you have installed the Transgate, and then you click on connect. But there's a problem. When you click on connect, it's going to give you this error. The credential is only accessible on a desktop and laptop, meaning that you can only complete this on a desktop and a laptop. Now this is where you need to pay attention on what I'm going to show you. First of all, if you are using Mises browser, click on this icon here at the bottom right corner. When you click on that, scroll down and put it on desktop site here, desktop site. So once I put it on desktop site, once it is loading, I will return back to this page again. I'll still return back to this place again and click on it. Okay, this time around I will scroll down and go to settings. So from settings, click on settings, then scroll down to accessibility. Once you are on accessibility here, look at it here, I'm going to click on accessibility, and then you see this place, you see default zoom. This place you see default zoom. I'm going to reduce this to 50. Reduce it to 50%. So I'm going to use this minus icon here and reduce it to 50%. Now that it is on 50%, I will return here. Once you're here, the thing is that it's going to reduce your screen to the barest minimum to mimic a laptop. Since you do not have a laptop, you will have to reduce your screen as little as possible, and that is what I have done here. It's going to look very tiny, but of course you can always use your two fingers to zoom in. Okay, now let me see. The next thing you're going to do is you need to open a new tab on your browser and log in your exchange account. Whatever exchange you are using, if you are using OKX, you go to okx.com and log in your account. Make sure that the account you are using, you have verified your KYC on it. If you want to use Binance, go to binance.com and log in your account. If it does not open up, this is where RubyScore comes in. Go to your VPN, RubyScore or whatever VPN you are using, and put on your VPN at any location at all. Okay, US, UK, any location at all. Once your VPN has been activated, the exchange account will open. So once you are logged into your exchange account, we return to the Authena.xyz. Make sure that you are logged in and your wallet is connected. The wallet you are connecting must be the same one you are using on Somnia Quest page. The same one you connected to Somnia, the same Twitter account you are using for Somnia, the same Discord account you are using for Somnia, it should be all connected to Authena.xyz. So let me just scroll down and do the OKX KYC. I'm going to click on connect now. Okay, so I will zoom in. I have installed ZK Pass browser extension. I will take that, then I'll click on connect. Okay, so you see that it did not give me that error. So OKS KYC ZK Pass, I'll click on connect. You see, I am being redirected to OKS. I'm being redirected to OKS. So from this page now, you wait for it to load. Just be patient and wait for it to load. Alright, so now that your OKS has opened, I want you to notice from this bottom right corner here, from this corner here, you are going to see this floating icon here from ZK Pass. So let us zoom that in and see what we are going to do. As long as you are already logged into your OKS or your Binance, the next thing you need to do is to click on this start icon. Let's see if that works. I click on start and you can see that it is connecting with ZK Pass code. This is all you need to do. Once that is working, you just leave it for it to work. Alright, you leave it for it to work. It is running. Let me zoom that in again for us to see. This is all. You can see start generate proof. It is doing its work at the background. All you need to do is to add the extension and click on start. The program may take a few while to run. It doesn't matter. Just leave it to run. Okay, so I'm going to wait for this to run right now. Now, I want you to watch the end of this video because for those of us that did RubyScore, there's something I want to show you at the end of this video. So I'm going to show you that so that you can claim a Discord role that might help you get more reward from Somnia. So right now, it is done, guys. Verifying and claimed. So once that is claimed, I can close this tab now. I'll just click on this X you see here. This X you see here. I will click on that to close, and let me go back. You can see my KYC for OKX and for Binance is completed right now. Remember that I had 119 points before, right? So I will scroll up, and what do I have now? 216 points. So I have 216 points. And remember that the minimum for qualifying on Somnia is 30 points. Once you have your 30 points, you are qualified, but the higher points you have, the more reward you are going to get. So if you want to connect more exchanges, for example, I've connected in my first video, I used my Binance to complete that, right? So this video now, I use my OKX. So if you are doing yours with your phone and you want to do Binance again, all you need to do is just click on connect for Binance, because at that point Binance will have connect, not claimed. If you have not connected your Binance, you click it on connect, it will take you to the Binance website. You log in your Binance account, you click on start on the ZK Pass extension, floating extension on your screen, wait for it to load, and you will claim your reward. Easy and simple. So now I promise you that I'm going to show you something on RubyScore. Now, for everyone that minted their RubyScore, if you have not done what I'm going to show you right now, you might be missing out on a reward that will be coming to those that minted. Now, if you minted the RubyScore when it was still available, I think it's still available right now, but if you did not mint it, I made a video on that, on how you should do that on mint yours. So if you minted yours, it costs about $4 for us to mint. Then you need to do exactly what I'm going to show you right now. So come to Discord, right? That is on your Somnia. When you open the Somnia Discord server, then you need to click on Collabland join. This place you see Collabland join. You need to click on it, open it, and then click on let's go. You need to click on let's go because you need to claim a particular role. So I'll click on let's go, and you need to connect your wallet. If you have not connected your wallet before, please, you can click on add new wallets to connect your wallet. I have already connected my wallet. This is my wallet here. So once your wallet is connected, that is the same wallet you use to mint the RubyScore ID. That is Somnia RubyScore. Then just click on use connected wallet. For those that have connected their wallet on this Collabland, just click on use connected wallet. If the wallet that is connected is not your main wallet, or it is not the wallet you use for RubyScore, please click on add new wallet and connect the wallet that you have used before. So in my own case, I'm going to click on use connected wallet. When you do this, mine just gave me an error. Maybe it's because of network or something. It's supposed to give you a role. When you do this successfully, it's supposed to give you a role, and that is RubyScore role. Alright, and I believe that role will be useful, or will be very useful for giving us rewards when it is time. Alright, so guys, that is it. Just once, if you know that you have minted the RubyScore ID, make sure that you go to Discord and get that role. That is all about minting your Proof of Humanity, completing your Proof of Humanity. Then you need to come to the request page. There's a new task that is available, Dreamathon campaign. So you need to open that and complete it. I think it is a very easy task to complete. It's just Twitter task. Follow Dreamathon on Twitter and then retweet and like the announcement. I think I have done this. I'll just verify activity for one and verify retweet for the other. No, it's still having problem, but I have completed it, so I'll claim it later. This is basically all you need to do to get your reward. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out other of my videos, especially the Somnia Proof of Humanity on how to complete it on your laptop, and so many other airdrop tasks that I have actually completed videos on. Take them and subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I bring you lots of airdrops and lot of tutorial videos on how to complete each and every one of them. So thank you so much guys for watching. Like this video, share with your friends. Let us get that Somnia money together. So bye and stay with Somnia.